Bajaj, innovative farm-to-table engineering.
Welcome to the solar pump installation by Bajaj Processpack Limited. In this video, we'll take you through the complete process of installing a high-efficiency solar-powered water pump system. These high-efficiency photovoltaic panels are positioned to receive maximum sunlight throughout the day, ensuring optimal energy generation. Now the submersible or surface pump is installed depending on the water source and depth. Once all connections are complete, the system is tested to ensure proper functionality, voltage levels, and safety compliance. As you can see, the pump is now operational, delivering a steady flow of clean water, powered entirely by the sun. This eco-friendly solution is perfect for agriculture, irrigation, and remote water supply needs.